Hey, and welcome back to the Michael Cohen Show. Look, we are again, as always, I'm going to say it, on our journey to 250,000 subscribers. We've now passed the 150,000 mark, thanks to you. So if you like what you hear, subscribe, like, and share with a friend. So I want to talk to you for a second about something which I know a lot about. In fact, I know more than all the people that we're going to be talking about in just about a quick second. Fox News came out with an article. This is Fox News now, talking about Republicans supporting Harris. And it's led by none other than Judge Luttig. White House lawyers who advised Reagan, Bush, endorse Harris over Trump in the 2024 showdown. And that's by Paul Steinhauser of Fox News. I mean, Judge Luttig is one of the most preeminent constitutional lawyers that's out there right now. So what I want to do is I want to show you a tweet from Judge Luttig. This is from Judge Luttig. Fox News just posted the endorsement of Vice President Kamala Harris by former Republican White House lawyers who served in the White House under Presidents Ronald Reagan, George H.W. Bush, and George W. Bush. I am proud to join my colleagues and friends in this endorsement. 1.4 million views. Take a look at the bottom. 1.4 million views. I bring that up simply because when you start to look at, for example, the Trump posts, the untruth posts, whether it's on Twitter or now X or his Truth Social platform, you don't see 1.4 million views. Judge Luttig he's significant. It's important to note that because what it shows you momentum. And that's the thing that right now Donald Trump is most fearful of, the momentum that Kamala Harris and Tim Walz are generating. 400,000+ volunteers just in Georgia alone. There's like almost 1 million volunteers out there for the Harris-Walz campaign. 1 million. It's nuts. They have taken in more than $600 million since the announcement of Kamala Harris. And if you think for a second that this isn't scaring the shit out of Donald, let me be the first to tell you, as somebody who knows him better than anyone, he is right now not sleeping simply because of this. He's probably more nervous over this than he is about September 18th, which of course is the sentencing in the criminal trial where he was held guilty on 34 counts of criminal that's going to sentence him. I mean, this is crazy. He's so concerned. It's why he's freaking out over the debate. He's freaking out over everything. All right. So I want to show you for a quick second an article about this exact issue where all of these people who have supported it, take a look at the list of the signatories. Again, besides Judge Luttig, and this is in alphabetical order: John Bellinger, Senior Associate Counsel to the President, Legal Advisor to the NSC under George W. Bush. You got Philip Brady, Deputy Counsel to the President under Reagan, Benedict Cohen, no relation, Associate Counsel to the President under Reagan, Keisler, right? Then you have also under Reagan, Kruger, also under Reagan, but the names go on and on. John Mitnick, right, he's under George W. Bush, Alan Charles Raoul under Reagan, and General Counsel, OMB under Reagan, George H.W. Look at the names that you're talking about here. But the reason that I think this is important, look at the positions that these people had. You're all talking about attorneys at the highest level of government. And each and every one of these individuals should be, and under normal circumstances, we could drop that down, under normal circumstances, would be endorsing the Republican candidate. They'd be endorsing Donald Trump, but they're not. And you have to ask yourself why. Why are they not? Because Donald Trump has become unhinged. Not one of these people, not one, would vote for somebody who doesn't believe in this. The Constitution of the United States of America. Not somebody who wants to rewrite it. No, not somebody who wants to destroy our tripartite system of government. I cannot say that enough. It is essential that you all listen. Listen to this. It is essential. The way that you destroy a democracy, a democratic republic, is you destroy the foundation, right? It's like knocking down a building. You can knock it down from the roof, or you can go easier and take the foundation and make it collapse. That's what Trump is doing. That's what Project 2025 is all about. So if you saw the names of all of these people, and they're just to name a few, there are so many others that have now come out and said that they will not endorse Donald Trump. People like Mitt Romney, Adam Kinzinger, of course, right? Liz Cheney. You have a whole slew of Republican members of Congress that have emphatically stated, we will not support Donald Trump. In fact, they have come out, and it's like 50 of these individuals. They said, we will not support Donald Trump. We support Kamala Harris. First time ever that they're supporting a Democrat while they're sitting members of Congress with R's next to their name. And why is it that this whole thing is important? How is it that I, Michael Cohen, have more information on this than most? And the answer is because nobody was closer to Donald Trump than I. When you start to see the folks, for example, like the Olivia Troys, the Stephanie Winston Wolkoffs, the Stephanie Grishams, the Alyssa Farah, you start to see all of these people, John Bolton, that have already come out and said, I will not vote for Donald Trump. I cannot, in good conscience, vote for Donald Trump. As close as all of these people were, as close as all of these people claim that they were to Donald Trump, I was closer. I just was. And I'm telling you, I won't support him. Hard, if you would go back 6+ years, 7 years before all this shit happened, and tell me that today, August 27th, 2024, that I would be coming to you on my Michael Cohen channel here on YouTube and telling you that I cannot support Donald Trump for a multitude of reasons. First and foremost, because of his disrespect for the Constitution, for our rule of law, for the Department of Justice, for our members in military, those that are with us and those that are no longer with us. The fact that he takes pride in the overturning of Roe versus Wade, of stepping all over women's reproductive rights, to name just a few of the things. A guy who doesn't believe in the free and fair election process, a guy who started an insurrection, an individual that turned around and refused the peaceful transfer of power after he lost, a guy who threatens everybody, witness, non-witness. And I can go on and on and on. In fact, a buddy of mine sent me, it's like 8 pages worth of things that Donald Trump has done that should automatically exclude him from even being able to run for the presidency. And that doesn't even include the rape of E. Jean Carroll, the $93 million he owes, the $500 million he owes to the New York Attorney General, to the state of New York for civil fraud. Doesn't even include the criminal Manhattan District Attorney case, 34 counts of guilt. No, there are other things that he keeps saying. There are other things that he keeps doing that should exclude him. It's why I will end this episode by saying several things. First and foremost, I do not support Donald Trump, and neither should you. And more importantly, make sure that you vote Harris Walz 2024 because our country depends on it. Hey, everyone. First of all, thanks for watching. I mean, we're going to be posting daily episodes with reactions and talking about politics. We'll be talking about everything, in fact. So please like and subscribe. Join us on this journey.